Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Here a little bit later than we've been normally. Still trying to get used to this setup. Got my glasses on today. Well, they're not on at the moment, but yeah. Gotta clean my windshields. So yeah, got my glasses on. Ooh. Yeah, we're watching some stuff this morning. If y'all can't hear me, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just sitting here talking like a fool. But for today, I switched back to the little, was it a lapel mic? Whatever this microphone is called. Europe is panicking. Oh, that's probably why our dollar is. Actually, I don't know. Why is Europe panicking? Here, let me throw this. Let me throw this on. All right. Stock market HQ. Top of the morning, blousing. Good morning. All right, you said I can hear you just fine. Good stuff, ED Silver. Good morning. D Scurv. Good morning. Yeah. We will see how things play out here. I want to have the SPY up here. Want to have. Hey, good morning, Mike. Hey, I definitely, today is definitely going to be a day of displaying patience for me. I think I for sure want to wait like the first 15 minutes or so, see kind of what's going on. What else do we want out here? He said, what are you looking at? I'm looking at like, are you talking about like on my screen, or are you talking about like stocks wise? Yeah, stocks wise, I'm kind of all over the place. There's like a lot of great deals. And I'm just, right now I'm just trying to be patient. Trades wise. Honestly, nothing like too like just there right now. Like I like Meta is almost to like a pretty critical level. Like in here, that's going to be a pretty strong level. A lot of things formed a new supply zone yesterday, so now it is clear where to watch for a sell from. So for instance, like if we look at the SPY, they created a new supply zone yesterday. So if we see SPY come back up here, just when it comes to continuing the trend, this is where we would want to short the SPY up here in this zone here. I actually almost want to clear this zone out, but I'll leave it for now. Top of the morning, Lucky J. Top of the morning, Incense. Good morning. We ride. Hold on, let me change this to live chat. Hey, top of the morning, Keith. We riding with you. Gonna be a lot of red today, but no, yeah, 100%. Hey, honestly, the game for me today is patience. Wait, where's? Yeah, just trying to be patient today. I almost, like yesterday I was watching, I wanted to hop in stuff, and I'm glad I did not hop in anything yesterday towards the end of the day. I was like, I feel like I'm trying to force it. But nah, I was nice and disciplined. I think I was actually in the gym whenever I was like looking at getting stuff too. So yeah, that discipline goes hand in hand. Let's see. Dorothy, good morning. See Smooth, good morning. Oh yeah, first hit that like. Top of the morning. Timothy, good morning. So D-Scurv, I was actually like looking at that. So I think for Coke to tank, we got to get a pop on the market. So I don't think, so what I was looking at, oh, you can't even see it. Hold on, let me pull it up over here. We'll swap out Palantir for now real quick so I can show you my current thesis on Coke. So I do think Coke will tank. either by the end of this week. All right, I hope it will be by the end of this week, but I was thinking it could push up as high as this 250. And then I think we'll get our sell. Because now it's like right there for being oversold. I think if it pushes up just a little bit more, hey, it's like fully ready even on the weekly, but we'll kind of have to see. Wellington, good morning. My life be like, good morning. Good morning. Today seems like it's going to be, hey, we'll see. Like Meta is kind of trying to go for it like right away. So like one of the things I'm waiting for, I want to see how, oh, y'all can't see it. Let me, here. I want to wait for the PCE to update so we can see where it opens. I want it to open nice and high. Like, and if it's up here, I'll probably grab a call. But yeah, Meta is looking really good for a call right now, or it's starting to. Like yeah. I don't know how much it's going to cost. I'm sure premiums on contracts are out of this world right now, but yeah, I'm starting to really like Meta for some upside. Said KO definitely looks overbought on the 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour and it's getting there on the weekly. Oh yeah, Meta is why do I have this? Oh, that's some liquidity right there. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can like come below this and touch into here real quick. That'll be amazing. It's honestly kind of wild how we're just like down here like this. Let's see. Okay, Coke is, hold on, I just got some kind of alert. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. All right. Oh, Meta came and hit this. That's what it was. Okay. Let's see how Tesla's doing. All right, I want to show y'all my updated thesis on Tesla as well. So we have this weekly trend line here, and Tesla, don't get me wrong, it could definitely bounce here. We kind of already hit it last week and bounced up to, I guess, here. So that may already kind of be played out. So my thing was, I just noticed there is still a fair value gap down to this 223. So depending on how bad this gets, we could still, like I would say everything is still, we could still move down till we get to this level as well. Is the end goal with trading to make it a full-time thing, or you just like to keep it as a side hustle? Honestly, I mean, I would like to have full-time income from it, but no, I don't need it as a full-time now. I don't know. I've like throughout my time just searching for things online, I have found myself in a weird space with like Amazon kind of affiliate stuff. So it's like I don't think I don't need it to be my full-time. But no, it's a skill to have. It's something that I want to teach others how to do as well. Like others in my family, I see it as a means to kind of accelerate wealth and like get me closer to what I want. End goal is to, like if it comes down to my end goal, is to keep improving, getting as good as I can. This is part of the flexibility that I want in my life. Like right now, something I have Like I want a house, I want kids, I want, some dogs, and I also want to. It might be a little weird. I want to like employ my brothers and stuff, and like, kind of be able to implement. Like I want to be able to work out with them, but they always have to work, and it's like I kind of would like to be able to like, pay them to actually work, but also have like some form of, us working out being a part of the job too. I don't know. I think that'd be pretty cool. Dr. Modify, good morning. Wait till you have kids, then you will want it to be full-time good morning. I mean, that's one way to look at it. So one thing I would say about trading, I'm gonna say it can be stressful, like relying on it. So I think one thing that I am trying to work up to is having a lot more shares. So instead of having to buy and trade, kind of like we do on here. Oh, hold on, that meta looks like it might be. Oh, it might be trying to play out. Let me look at that on like a 50. Oh, hold up. Yeah, that meta reacted to that. Oh, we'll hold off. It might come back down. Maybe it goes up to 646 and then comes down. We'll see. But no, yeah, I really want to just have hundreds of shares of good companies and be able to sell premium on them. I don't think I would like to slow down my trades as much as I can. Like right now I'm trading on the 4 hour, which, typically gives me about like up to 2 weeks of time. But I want to it's like I often see stuff that could take weeks or months to play out. But I'm like, yo, this is going to play out. And this could pay like more than a year's salary if I had the patience and if I had the money for the contracts. But it's like I need my money for other things. So it's like that's something I would want, is to be able to have the balance to enact on things I see. So top of the morning, Adi. No, I definitely understand trading is tedious to get into because of all the buy my 500. Yeah, oh no, yeah. Never quite understood the Lambo thing. It's like they're all right, but they don't seem that comfortable, if I'm being real. Okay, I'm feeling like we're gonna, hold on, how's the SPY holding up? Here, I'm gonna watch the SPY a little bit closer. This is kind of more of a feeling, but I might be a little risky today. Let me see. This might just be, let me see how much these contracts are going for. Dang, I'm down on that TTD. Let's see. Wait, I was looking at the SPY. Okay, more shares on the horizon for SoFi. I legit just increased my like daily investment on that today. Oh yeah, I am not liking the options premiums. All right, let me go back up to a 4 hour on Meta. It's looking like that wasn't anything. We got 3 minutes until the first 15 minutes have passed. Okay, I was trying to make it full time, but it's definitely too stressful right now. I had to get Nah, I feel you there. Like, nah, full-time trading. Hold on, let me look at Tesla. Let me go back to a 4-hour on Tesla. There was something in me thinking like, oh, it's about to be a good time to get a. All right, so it's like I know where to short from now, but now it's like at this weird area I don't necessarily know where to buy calls. Okay, there's a 4-hour demand zone on Tesla down here at like 255. That's kind of a big move, but if we hit that, hey, I'm all over it. So yeah, if we see Tesla at 255 today, jumping in on a call, and we got supply, like that's a room for a good move, because we got supply up at 295, and in this market it could definitely happen. Let's see what else. Nvidia is kind of oversold too. We'll look. Here, let's clear that out. That's not even. Yeah, we'll clear that out. Honestly, if Nvidia gets oversold enough, they'll probably make some sort of either EMA move back to the EMA, which is about a $7 move, $6 move, or to the trend line. Let's see. Next demand zone. Oh, they might be in it right now. This 108. No. Okay. So yeah. So the next kind of area of demand on Nvidia. Was it over here? Wait, is that a demand zone? Yeah, we did kind of push lower. Or we might even be able to, no, we'll just. So yeah, 108.56, we might see a little kind of recovery on Nvidia from there. Oh, it got pretty close. Okay, hold on, let me get to these. Hey, Ty, good morning. Overtime, as you know, with DCA, you can get 100. Hey, that's the move. That's why I'm like averaging in. SoFi is probably going to be the first one that I get 100 shares of. I've had 100 shares of it before, but I've had to get rid of it as well. Let's see. I'm more of a Porsche guy. I got like I don't have nice Porsches, but there are some nice Porsches sitting in the parking lot of my apartment complex. I'm not gonna lie, they definitely seem out of place in the parking lot. You got like a bunch of Kias, Nissans, and Subarus, some Chevys. Then you got like a couple Porsches out there. But yeah, Porsches are nice. I thought the Amazon affiliate stuff were scams. Now you have me, bro. Let me tell you, bro. I started in like October. My life has changed. Low key, I could probably like do a course and like, I don't know. It's like there are levels to it. Like there's I don't know. It's like if anyone is approved, I think there was somebody in here. I think like Review for Success. Like he's the only one I know that's approved for Amazon influencer. Bro, this is life changing if you actually know. And it's like they don't even teach you that well. But yeah, that mess is life changing. Here, let's see. Hey, top of the morning, Good morning, Rebel Gamer. Isaac, good morning. Lambo is a sports car and not meant to be comfortable. Yeah, they're fast. Yeah, I'm gonna say my Tesla's pretty quick too, though. And I got it for a lot less. I'm gonna say that. Hey, Chase, good morning. And let's take a look at TSM. Let's see. Let's look it over here. Oh, it's really okay. Yeah, it's really close. It's really, really close. Okay, so yeah, TSM, I really like the area and placement too. It's really close to that demand zone. This is one that we looked at. There is a bigger move on the horizon. I'm going to say that. But right now, if I had to guess, had to assume, I would think it's going to get pushed back down and like come into this. But TSM, yo, that's looking good. Like, it's looking like it's going to be a good move. DGZ. Okay, so let me update you on my volume situation. So I kind of went back to the little, I got these DJI like mic mini things, and that's just what I'm using right now. I still have the podcast mic and everything, but yesterday I ordered a cloud lifter. It should be here today, and that should make my podcast mic a lot better. Let's see. You started this past October, JP? Yes, I've had access to it since. Wait, what is it? I've had access to it for years, and I've never really seen any money. Maybe like $10 tops, but yeah, I found out like my wife bought a couch, linked something, and she made like $20 from hers, and I'm like, hold up. If she made money from that and I've never made money from it, I'm like, yo, you can actually make money from it? So I like got on YouTube and like looked it up, and I got like kind of similar to whenever I was trying to learn how to trade stocks. I was like, yo, what's up with all this like Amazon stuff? And there are people that talk about it, and I kind of just took all their information, kind of put it together, and I would say kind of leveled it up to an extent. So hey, it's nice. Top of the morning, Becky. The like to viewer ratio is nasty work. Hit the like button, good people. Oh, that is true. Hey, be sure to smash it if you can. Review for success. Hey, top of the morning. I'll say, Matthew, I appreciate you, Chuhu. Wait, let me a quick check in on the stocks. Okay, so yo, I'm buying. Okay, hey, the PCE. Hold up, quick PCE check. Hey, PCE is above 1. Okay, this is a good time. Okay, so this is gonna be a good. I'm gonna buy like I might just go for something on Tesla. I don't know. It's like it's might be a good call for SPY, might be a good call for Tesla, might be a good call for whatever. Get some time on it. Yeah, but usually when you got the PCE up like this, the call to put ratio, there are more puts being bought than calls. It might take till Friday, it might take till Monday, but there is going to be a pop. I think I'm cool with I'm cool with riding them. Actually, I kind of want the momentum to slow a little bit on Tesla. The downside momentum to slow on Tesla. But I'll probably go for a call on Tesla. And yeah, I'm going to watch Tesla on the 5-minute. And if they get above, or when they get above this 13 EMA on the 5, that's when I'll like look to get a call. But yeah, they're kind of wilding. Maybe I go for TSLL. I don't even know. Here, what's the aim? What was I looking at? It was Meta, right? Ooh, Meta's looking kind of nice too. Let me look at the premiums on that. Maybe I'll go for something on that too. Cause the move to Meta is up to like 655. The move for Tesla up to like, it's a bigger move. I gotta see which one kind of has the, I gotta check premiums. I think something good is coming. It could take some patience, but yeah, that PCE. Here, let me, yeah, I'm gonna just have the PCE up here, over here. See if that climbs any higher today. Here, let's look historically at the PCE. All right, so, hey, last time the PCE was up here, actually we might have to go to a 4 hour to actually see it. All right, last time the PCE was this high, August 5th of 2024. It was a Monday. Ooh, okay, Monday. And then the next Tuesday, bro, it got pushed all the way down to 70. So that means there are a lot of like calls closed. So if we're looking historically, yo, it's time to get calls. There was one other time before, I guess it was, dang, it got like super high. It got as high as 1.2. So just know that it can get higher, but historically, anytime it gets above 1, it gets sold off pretty hard. But yeah, this was April 17th, 2024. It actually pushed up another day, and it went from that to 85. So that's like moves like that. That's going to be a solid gap. So yeah, that's why right now I'm going to continue to watch on the 5 minute, but yeah, just know, hey, we got a good move coming, and the highest we've seen it is 1.2. So know that. But we don't have any news catalyst today. Trump speaks in the after hours, so if we want to like keep going down all day, maybe I grab something at the end of the day. The game is patience, though. Let's see. All right, so I missed some comments. Got to get to. I always thought I could never do trading. I shouldn't have doubt myself. It is hard, but was worth the. Hey, good stuff in that. I think you're cool. A review for success. Hey, yeah, 100%. Hey, reach out to me on Instagram, and let me know you're you. My Instagram is like here. Let me get it just in case. Where's my? Yeah, I'm gonna just drop that in the chat real quick, just so you can. All right. I work at Tesla Collision in Plano. What model? I have a Dr. Modified. That's clean. That's like very close. I have a 2022 Tesla Model 3. Your president mentioned it last night. Okay. Coke is willing. Okay. Oh, wilding. Okay, I got you. Yeah, Coke, yeah, it kind of is, but hey, whenever the PCE comes down and stops wilding, Coke will probably stop wilding as well. Let's see. I'm thinking about option trading S&P 500. Which direction do you think it's going? Right now it is heading down, but like going on with what I'm saying with the PCE, this is setting up for an opportunity for a swing to kind of like rip the other direction. So that's why I'm kind of letting Tesla do its thing right now. And then, after it's done doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some sort of call. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, smash that like button. Appreciate you, Lucky J. Please hit the like now. Yes, we like that. Falana, good morning. Loving Tesla, I'm up 393. You got some puts? Hey, good stuff. Bought a put last Friday on Tesla. It's paying off now. Hey, glad to hear you're riding it on down. Yesterday I was like, man, I should have grabbed a short right after I sold out of that call, but I'm still feeling good about it. Made some money off TSLL. Yeah, I might. Yeah, I'm either going to do that or Tesla. Kind of depending on the premiums. Yes, go for a TSLL because when you say Tesla, I'm going to look. So all I gotta say, the only thing about TSLL is, it's not typically good whenever you go. Like whenever you get more than the strike that's just right beside the money. All right, hold up. Amazon's here. They're delivering a package. I need to go grab it real quick. I'll see them at my door. Let's hope the market doesn't go too crazy unless it wants to come to the downside so we can get a good entry for a pop to the upside. But yeah, give me a second. I heard them like drop this package. Now it's nice that I can actually go and grab them when they deliver them. Hey, give me a second. Hey, we back. Okay, Tesla's selling off some more. Glad to have waited. Okay, let's see. Hey, no problem. No problem. Review for success. What are you looking to get your call in at Tesla? How many weeks out? Honestly, Eddie, I'm probably only looking at like 2 weeks. I'm trying to, just because I'm looking at this PCE, like I'm honestly might be able to go for this week, but just because I'm not trying to be like super risky like that, I'm going for next week. Like this is something that I think like the move back up I think should occur by Friday. Also, if Tesla wants to come to this 255 level today, I'll hop in right then, like right then, right there. Like it's moving pretty fast right now, honestly. Like if it wants to come to it, hey, I'll go for it. Like Tesla's being a savage right now. You got Meta selling off hard too. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of overwhelmed, y'all. I'm overwhelmed. I'm excited, but I'm overwhelmed. Well, I guess excitement is a feeling of overwhelm when you think about it. But speaking of Amazon, they're looking good for a call. As yeah, let's look here. Where do we pull? Here we'll leave the SPY alone. Yeah, we'll take a look at Amazon on this one. Let's see what ooh, hold up. Amazon, they're below $200. Where they do that at? Okay. Wow, okay, it's below this one. Oh, well, that's not necessarily a demand zone. We're still in this range. Well, we kind of already. Okay, so the next like demand zone that looks like it hasn't been tapped into, I will say is over here, but need to see what this candle is real quick. Oh, okay, that shrinks the demand zone. That's a black candle. Okay, it's nice that it's smaller. Demand zone and some liquidity. Yeah, we could sell off kind of hard today, potentially. Yeah, Amazon at 186. I know it's kind of crazy and it seems like wild, but yeah, if we see that happen, hey, Actually, I don't think I have the money to play everything I want to play, but yo, we see the opportunities. Hey, we're here to snipe them. But yeah, I got my alert set for Amazon, so I'm gonna pull the SPY back up over here. SPY is or Amazon is getting, or it's like oversold, but it's getting to a nice level of oversold. Here, let me see what Tesla looks like on the 4. Same on Tesla. So I think we could sell off today. Anybody want to be risky with the day trade? I'm not going to do it. Also, if you're day trading, be aware that options premiums are a lot higher right now, so you're paying a lot more. So it's like a $3 move on the SPY isn't going to pay the same. So you kind of got to have some really, really big moves. Let's see. Oh, Matcha and Trey, hey, can you explain selling puts? You get premium paid up front, but then why can't you just close straight away? Because you already been paid. All right, so whenever you get the premium for selling puts, you get the premium, but the premium is kind of, it's collateral. So let's say right here, the SPY is at 575 and I sell a put for 600. All right. And let's say it expires, whatever date this is. So let's say it expires on Friday over here. All right. So what that means is if I sell a $600 put and the SPY is at 575, that's going to be about a minimum of a $2,500 premium that you are able to sell the put for. But you have to wait till the expiration to receive all that money because that contract still has value. So it's like you sell it for $2,500 and your break even is going to be about right here. But since that contract has value, say the SPY comes lower, the value of that contract is going to go even higher. So now instead of it being worth $2,500, down here is probably going to be worth $3,500. And I don't know, because that contract has value until it expires, you don't get the full value of it. So you can lock in money, you can lock in profit, you can get money back from that contract, but you're not going to be able to get it back until it is that until it either expires or until you buy it back. So if you sold it at 1,000 and now it's up here and it's worth 500, you can lock in that $500 profit, but you have to buy it back in order to get it. If that makes sense. I know that might be confusing, but what 5 stocks do you generally like to follow? If you're talking about for like trading, I'll typically be like SPY. Tesla is one that gets rotated. Nvidia is one that gets rotated. Apple gets rotated. Palantir, Amazon, is that 5? And then like it'll usually be some kind of variant of what's popular beyond those. See, Smooth already took 2 day trades. Here, let me look. I think I only have one right now on this account. Let's see. Yeah, I get 1 day trade back tomorrow, but I only have one left at the moment. All right, Tesla's either taking a break or it's getting ready to do a little turnaround. Oh, hold on. Let me get rid of these lines I just drew on the SPY. Actually, this could be a level of support. Could be. It's 575, so we'll watch what comes of it. But Yeah, that could be a level of support. PCE kind of chilling out right here a little bit. It's not moving any higher. It's not really moving lower, but. Oh yeah, Meta is in the zone. It is in the zone. Let me go back to a 4 hour up here. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, these moves are looking good. So it's like, I probably, like, when it comes to these, like in this market, if we swing, if the market swings and I'm up on these contracts, I'm just locking it in right away. Hold up, I just got an alert on Reddit. Okay, what is, oh, Reddit is in a weekly demand. Oh, what's going on here? Oh. Yeah, Reddit's at a weekly demand level though. It's at 150, so just be aware of that to those of you interested. Hey, what's the next level down for Reddit? The next area, oh wait, no. There's actually a fair value gap there as well, but the next area of demand is down here at 60. So whenever it's something I don't trade as much, I really like to have the extremes on there, but yeah, if Reddit comes back down to 60, I'm not necessarily sure I'll buy it, just because it's like, if I'm being real in this situation, it's not a stock I follow closely. But if I got money around, like, because this is a good year for trading, I may throw some at Reddit. Pound looks oversold on the 4 hour. Oh, here, I'll check for it. I'll check for it real quick. Review for success. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see you. All right. Here, let's see. Oh, we were on the 4 hour we were looking at. Here, 1 second. Let's share this live stream link. Someone trying to DM me asking about my positions. I'm like, all right. Does that go anywhere? Yes, it does. Okay. All right. So Tesla looks like it could be finding support, but hey, once again, we're not above that. I'm sticking to that 13 EMA for now, because I'm not trying to get ran on. Yeah, Palantir. I know I had some lines drawn for Palantir. I don't know why they're not on here. I definitely had some like lines and levels charted on Palantir this morning though. What happened to all my... Why can we not see? I don't know what happened to it, but... Oh yeah, you gotta buy it back, then you get your collateral. Good. Here. Tesla's call price is high at... Yeesh. Do you swing trade more than intraday? Yeah, I 100% swing trade a lot more than intraday. Yeah. SoFi and 12. Oh yeah, let's look at SoFi. That could be something right there too. All right, so why are none of my, yo, I have stuff here. Let's try. Oh, there we go. I was about to say I know I have levels and zones charted on SoFi. Let's see. I guess I don't have this like actually on there, but yeah, I know I have stuff charted for SoFi. All right, Tesla's trying to make a move back. Yeah, if Tesla's that expensive though, it'll probably have to be TSLL. Yeah, it's like people know, or I guess the market makers are like, yeah, we're gonna have to move this pretty far. Jumping on a big SPY call 2 weeks out. So I think that'll do well. Only thing I gotta say is just, I would like look to do something that I'm like similar to what I'm doing on Tesla. Oh, that's a big move though. But yeah, I would look to do something similar. But yeah, right now, could look to SPY pulling back up here or up to actually up to this yeah, that's the last real supply zone up here, like 597. So that might be what I looked for. But man, my goodness. Hey, we are TradingView gets delayed sometimes showing drawings. SMCI, when will it stop falling? So SMCI, I was watching for, I want to say about $31 or so. So I think what is it? Yeah, it's very much so delaying drawings right now. KO on 3 minutes going down. Yeah, I got Coke off to like, my monitor is bigger than what the screen shows, so I got like 2 extra charts over here to the side. Yeah, I can see Coke is down at 72.06 right now. All right, yeah, we're still moving down though. Okay, so yeah, what I was looking for on SMCI, I pretty sure I have a drawing that should be in there, but weekly demand is going to be 30, like from 32 down to 25. And let's see, if we look at the 4 hour, that's at about like 29.40. But yeah, right now we are moving down. This is I know this is probably hurting some people, but right now I feel like if we're here, this is great. Yeah, so right now it's like, yo, watch the market fall. The only thing I gotta say that's like tough about everything going on at the moment is like whenever the market really starts moving like this, the options premiums get a lot more expensive, and you need like the largest moves to even like make even a little bit of money. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, there's a saying that that the stock market takes the stairs up and the elevators down. So you'll see like whenever it sells off, you know, it moves a lot faster than it does when it's going up. One other thing I want to show y'all on the SPY is like my kind of major buy level on the SPY. Like if we come down here, like it could happen today. This is like a yo, I am getting like some serious, I'm already getting serious upside just because of the call to put ratio. But down here at this bottom over here, which lines up with these weekly wicks, I think that'll either send us back up to, I think it can send us back above 600. It may not be like that, but I think that'll be a decent swing if there is kind of enough time involved. And that'll also, that'll help me to get out of my TTD more than likely. That should help me get out of my Coke. And am I in anything else? It would be amazing if that happened this week. I could probably get out of the Google as well. But yeah. Hey, Tesla really looks like it's going for that. I thought it was kind of wild, but it doesn't look so wild anymore. Yeah, Tesla might be going for that 255. That's wild. Like wild. Here, let's go up to the 4 hour real quick on Tesla. Yeah, it's still barely oversold though, so we can get to the oversold on the 4 hour and yeesh, my goodness. Wow. Hey, I'm here for it. I am here for it. I'm looking at all this stuff on the side. Wow. Overwhelming. All right, so I still have the PCE on the side of my screen, but I'm gonna kind of scroll through and see what else is on sale on my list. Wait, okay. Wait, hold on. Matcha and Trey, do you hold GME for a long play when it's good to squeeze? Like, not necessarily, no. So for me, if I were doing anything with GME, first off, it needs to be a lot cheaper and no one needs to be looking at it. And I need to see unusual options activity. So like the last time that GME kind of had its move up to like 60 something, I got in on that twice. I saw unusual activity. First, it was like $10. I saw it to 15. I was able to ride from 10 to 15. And it was like, I think the options were like $20, all because I saw unusual activity. And then like the contracts that I got, like I sold out way early because had I held them, I could have rode them up to 60, but I actually got some more and still was able to kind of get in on some of that. So I only like unusual activity on GME. I'm not like too big of a fan of trading it like that. Let's see. Wait, hold up. Tesla's probably dropping the 259, 258 range. Hey, let it drop. Where's the next support so I know when to get out? Next support. Well, this is a 5 minute. I was about to say, I don't see any. Next level of support, it's currently at a level of support right here, like 62. Next is 60. Then you got like that 58, 59 level you was talking about. And then the next area of demand where I was talking about was this 255. Notice we still got the PCE moving up too. That's wild. My goodness. Wow. I want to see how much that call that I had on Tesla yesterday. Oh, hold up. Got an alert on Broadcom. What's going on with Broadcom? Oh, hold up. That's a 5 minute chart. I was about to say. Oh, I got an alert on Netflix too. Okay, Broadcom is in a demand zone. So had this happened on a day where it wasn't, you know, 1,000 other stocks falling into things, I would go for this. But yeah, it's in a demand zone and it's oversold. So I think this is a good point to like swing a call. I would say a safer target like to ride to would be this 87, but I think it could come up to like this, maybe about where this resistance is at 195. If it doesn't want to come up to this like 100 or 199, 200 level. But hey, it's wild. That's there. Just want to share that. And then let me see what's popping with Netflix. I know Netflix is too expensive, so I'm probably not going to do anything with it. But oh, hold up. Wait, what is this? Oh, hold up. Nah, I'm gonna leave that alone. That's not certain enough for me. But I'm gonna make an imaginary trade right here. And we're gonna target that right there. So that's about a $50 move. And then maybe put our stop loss there. So yeah, I'll come back and see how that did. But and let's actually slide that over. There we go. So yeah, that's an imaginary trade right there. Not actually doing anything with that, but that's cool. All right, let's see. What would be a good leap call for Tesla if Tesla drops more? So I wouldn't get any leaps on Tesla until Tesla is until it's at least at like 223, just because of just what I looked at and saw on the charts. So yeah, right now we're gonna let everything sell off. And Josh, good morning. Yeah, these tariffs, hey, what can you do? Are you in put swings on SM? No, I'm not on any swing puts on SMCI. What about where Nvidia could fall? I think I put like the next level is 108, but I think like when I was looking at like a broader area it could fall to, let's see. I want to say like the next area I was like looking at, the next like demand or whatever was like 91. So yeah, like today I was like, oh yeah, I might be interested if it can come like to this 108 kind of 50 area, and then like big swing, like start buying big swing 91. So yeah, that's what I was looking at for Nvidia. Yeah, that PCE keeps climbing. That's wild. If we see it at 120, ooh. Yeah, this market is about to pay us a little check. Let's see. Let's see. What about, okay. Also have a call on the VIX. It's up to, yeah, the VIX is kind of going wild. Of you play Broadcom? I don't know that. Honestly, that comes down to you when it comes to the Broadcom. Like, it's not one I normally play. But honestly, I feel like everything right now, like if you're patient, I feel like 2 weeks out. Oh, hold up. Let's take a look at Baba. It might not be good because he just put the tariffs on, but Baba is at a 4-hour demand. Let me make an imaginary trade on this too. Like, I just want to see how all these play out. Oh, there's a gap to be filled down to 119 too. That could definitely fall somewhere. Let's see. Broadcom options are 12 and yeah, that's yeah. So as we see the VIX and like as the VIX goes up, the price of options is going to go up is like crazy as well. So like for instance, if I play Tesla, it might be better for me to actually just buy TSLL shares. Here, let's actually like look at that. So let's say I want to, oh, let's see. So right now, let's say I wanted to ride from right here, 266 up to this level up here at 274. So that's an $8.41 move. That's 3.6%. If I went to TSLL, that same move, oh, hold on, let's go to a 5-minute chart. Same move would be from about here to here, and that's 6.79%. Now we're going to look and compare the options real quick. And we'll look at in the money for this week to see how they move. So let's go to Tesla, trade Tesla options. We'll go for this week. And at the money call, 960. Delta is about 49. That implied volatility is insane, but hey, we'll add that. And then we will add, here, let's duplicate this tab. And then we will add a TSLL. Trade options. And right now, okay. So looking at the two, let's go to the options watch list real quick just to see like where. Okay, so first one here. Here, we'll open that in a new tab. And where's the, did I not add it to the watch list? Where's TSLO? Oh, there we go. And we'll open that in this tab. All right, so now we're gonna simulate. So 75-cent move, so $11 up to $11.76. Let's see how much money that is for one. Here, let's also, dang, the implied volatility is a lot worse on TSLL. It's 200%, so that's expensive. I might be better off buying the shares. But yeah, let's get on here and simulate. So simulate returns, and let's think 1176 it said. Honestly, it's not too bad. What percentage return is that? It doesn't even show. That's tomorrow. It's not too bad. And then let's look at the Tesla for the same move. So that's a 75-cent move at $8. So moving up to 275. Let's see how much this would be. So compared to what I paid, so this is about, I don't even remember what I paid. So $512 on top of about 1,000. Okay, so that's about a 50% increase. TSLL 46 on top of what we pay for, what is it? 81. That's about a 50% increase too. I mean, it's cool. Yeah, that's all right. And then for, if we actually bought the shares, that would be I guess like a 7% increase. All right. Okay. So yeah, that was a kind of a lot to figure that out, but it's like, I would still go for shares, or I would go for TSLL for that. Maybe get one more week. Let me see how much an extra week costs on like if I get one more week out. Okay, it's 128 for that versus, okay, I mean, it's not too bad. That time is worth it all for me. All right, let's see. Okay, think SPY has more downside for today. It is possible. Let's go back to the PCE. The PCE is still moving up. This could just be like a retracement to the, yeah, right now it's just a retracement to the 13 EMA. So it's like, I would still want to see how it responds to this, but it could. I got into some Tesla swings this morning, targeting 238, 212 on. Hey, if those are puts, nice. Let's see. I enjoy live trading with this group. You might need a squad chat name like the streamers do. Hey, if you can think of something, or if we can come up with something, hey, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm down. But yeah, as of right now, hey, y'all are just family to me. Man, nothing like a good stretch. Okay, let's see. S&P 500 trying to reverse. I mean, actually, it looks like it's a market structure. I told y'all, if you were here yesterday, you got downtrend, lower lows and lower highs. This is what you expect. What do you see? We got a high over here. We got a low over here. I mean, we got a lower high there. What's the next one? You got a low here. I mean, it kind of made a low. I mean, that is a lower high. It's still lower. We got a low. And then from here. And then, yeah, if the trend continues, you expect the lower lows and lower highs. That's how it goes. So right now, we're still in a downtrend. We'll see what happens here, but right now we're still making the moves down. All right, let's see. Tesla puts easy. I'm not sure if I would. I mean, if you were in the puts, yeah. I'm not sure if I would like really get puts here. Have you ever tried binary trading with pocket op? No. So if I found something that works, I want to like continue to kind of ride that till it's broken. It's like usually the more spread out I get between things, the less focus and the less consistency I have. So it's like, I heard about pocket options. You know, you can make decent money with them, but it's like I'm not interested in them just because that's like another thing that I would need to kind of do. Not trying to spread myself too thin. I think if we wait till like Friday or possible next week, it'll be time to, I think, so I guess you weren't here earlier, but I think time to buy calls is very, very soon. Like it might be today. Like Like my intention is to buy calls today, but I'm just trying to wait for somewhere I think is close enough to the bottom for me to actually do anything. Cause it's like right now I'm just looking at the 13 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. If we cross above that, like if we get a confirmation above that, I'm going for a call because I personally see everything that I think we need to see. Just like I'm not going like, it's not going to be a call that I like hold on to. Like if I'm up decent on it in the morning, I'm taking that profit so fast just because I am uncertain of what's to come. But it's like I think there should be a decent pop tomorrow. So let's see. Samuel, good morning. Missed your stream yesterday. Are you still on the Tesla? Oh no, I sold out of that. That's honestly, that's a situation where it may benefit you to potentially consider like getting the Discord, where the Patreon level of Discord. But nah, I sold out of that yesterday. I sold out for $11.75. I forgot what I bought in for, but let's see. Or I can show you. I can show you real quick. So if we look at the Discord, hold up. Yesterday. All right, so bought in for $7.35, and then yesterday took profit at $11.75 per share. 2 minutes in the market open. All right. KO puts in the money now. Oh, you must have got some new puts. Let me look and see how those are doing though. Let's see. What was I? Oh, I was trying to look at. Oh yeah, they're back in the green. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's what you meant. All right. Yeah, we might be consolidating for a move up, but we'll see. Gotta like, I'm ready to like get in stuff, but right now need to display patience. All right, let's see. Peace and blessings, All-Star. Omar, S&P 500. I think that'll, like, depending on how much time you get on it. Yeah, I think there's going to be a good pop. Like either tomorrow or the next day. I think we should get a good pop on the S&P. Or it could happen today as well, but I think we're going to get some kind of pop. What do you think the next level to buy long for Intel? Here, we'll have to see. Let's see. This is we're currently in a demand zone right now. So this is one. Beyond here, it'd be about 1976. So yeah, either right here or at about 1976. Let me pull that PCE back up. Continue to watch that. Yeah, we could be getting ready for it. Could be. All right. Yeah, just join. Might do QQQ or spy calls in the day. Let's see. At least. Yeah, I'm like once again. I'm watching the CMA. How do you feel about the Trump talk tonight? I don't know. Trump has us swinging everywhere. This is kind of how it was in his first presidency when I first like ever became a part of the market. So honestly, it doesn't matter how I feel. It's like I think anything could happen. I don't think there is much more that he can do to like slap us down like immediately. I think we can definitely come down more, and that's fine. But here, wanted to come look at this real quick as well. All right, so right here, hey, see we're over here in extreme fear. Just wanted to take a look at that. I know people like looking at that, so I'm like, why not? All right, let's see. Yeah, you said watch the VIX. Yeah, the VIX is up at like 25, 28. Hey, let it run up. I'm put on Toll Inc. What is Toll Inc? I'm not familiar with that one. What's the plan with Coke puts? Wasn't here for that. So my thesis, let me pull it out real quick. So you see where over here like popped up, gapped up on the PCE. We kind of looked back at history, saw anytime we were up here, pretty much the next day it gapped down, which means the market gapped up. And yeah, like last time this happened, it was in August 5th last year. We gapped all the way down to about 85. So it's not like crazy. No, actually we gapped down to 70. So that's a big gap. We did like sell off, but that was plenty of time to kind of lock in profit. So I'm hoping for whenever we kind of gap, that'll go down and I'll lock in profits. But yeah, it was like looking at Coke on the weekly. Okay, let's look at Coke. So on the 4 hour, it doesn't look the nicest, but if you, actually, yeah, on the 4 hour, it looks like it could be a fake out, but on the weekly, looking at the weekly candles, all this is, I mean, it's still like all liquidity. And like last time we were up here, I was saying I was cool with us coming as high as, honestly, I didn't even see this one, but I was like looking at this one over here, thinking like, yo, we'll probably get a good sell off from here. I was thinking by the end of the week, we'll be out. But in the green right now, so. It looks like also there is a little like there's support at like 71.53. So if you're worried, you might be able to get out at around break even right there. But yeah, I'm still gonna ride that for now. Let's see. I'm waiting for Baba to come down to the 120 area for calls. Just buy some calls 3 months out. Oh yeah, it's like if you get time, there might be some money there. All right. PCE. It's almost like it's trying to chill, but like we're still not above the CMA on Tesla or the SPY, so I'm still waiting for the time. DGZ, I'm trying to learn Thinkorswim options. This junk is confusing. Nah, I don't use Thinkorswim anymore. TD Ameritrade, or I know they're owned by Charles Schwab now, but their employers or their employees have on many occasions been known to like take the information you put there and sell it on the black market. So I don't want any dealings with them, because it's not like, it's like once, okay, twice, it's like, all right, nah, this isn't cool. But more than twice, it's like, yo, nah. I mean, honestly, twice is like, nah, yeah, nah, goodbye. So no, I don't really mess with TD Ameritrade anymore. Thinkorswim. And then also their platform was like really intensive on like RAM. It takes up a lot of RAM, so I like TradingView a lot more. But I know how to use like the phone app. I just don't. Yeah, I just don't. Not a fan. Here, let's see. Jeremy, good morning. Oh, Toll Brothers. Okay, I got you. Oh yeah, that's probably a good little short right now. With the housing market, let's see. Oh yeah, nice and oversold. In time, this might be a good hold up. Okay. So next kind of weekly level here, let's chart them out. So that's a good one. Then we got this over here. All right. Yeah, it might be time for me to get in on my TSLLs. Yeah, I might go for it. Let's see. Let me options. I'm looking at March 14th. What is that? There is a wide spread. It's always annoying when there's like a wide spread like that. What is it? Let's see. Let's see if I can get filled. If I get filled, I'll let y'all know. Then if not, hey, I'll just cry. Oh, SPY's still not doing anything though. Here, let's pull the PCE back up. Did that order even, I don't even think the order went through. Hold up, okay, let me go back. I don't even think I put it in. Options. Okay. Good thing is I think it's a little cheaper. These things are all over the place. Let's see what it's going for. All right, so I got filled. Let me alert the family real quick. So I grabbed a TSLL. Wait, hold on. TSLL calls that expire next week. And I paid $123 for them. So real quick, let me alert the family. Where? Discord. Yo, why is it not loading? Here, I might have to do it on my computer real quick. Cause it's not wanting me to do it on my phone right now. See if that'll paste in there. Okay, it did. Everyone just bought TSLL. Wait, what strike? $11 TSLL calls paid. Oh wait, expiring 3/9 paid. Wait, is it the 9th? Was that this week? Or maybe it's the 14th? Oh, expiring the 14th. I was about to say, I'm like, that's too soon. Paid 1.23 per share. There we go. All right, so now I'm not watching that too closely anymore. I'm going back to a 4-hour. And yeah, honestly, we'll just have to see what comes of it. It does look like the market kind of wants to dip down more. So now at this point, it's kind of like I need to relax and like not get anything. So let's see. Okay, Coke is pulling back a little bit. That's nice. Here, let's see. Okay. Where did I leave off in the comments? All right. New morning routine with the new film. Hey, top of the morning, I play Roblox Mobile, Extreme Fear. Hey, yeah, get your shopping bags ready. Hey, that's what I just did. I gotta not look at it now because yeah, we could move down a little more, but I think it'll pay well. I think the PCU will come. Maybe not fill the gap, but it'll come down to something. Let's see. Seems QQQ and SPY we are trying to push up, but I think it will go down again, especially. Hey, we'll see. Master a skill, then get on to another 100%. What can I use for paper trading? So I never like paper traded. I what is it? Like, I think the simulator is great, but I've never like paper traded. I actually like traded and lost and paid my tuition, so I can't fully say. I think Webull has paper trading, Moomoo has paper trading. I hear they're both pretty decent, but honestly, I can't say. I've never really been able to get myself into it enough to actually try it. Greetings, I'm late to the alright. Hey, honestly, it's kind of good to be late to this party because it's like a lot of people were trying to buy calls sooner. So if you like wait to buy calls, then hey, it's all good. Oh yeah, and of course those calls I bought got cheaper, but hey, it is what it is. Let's see. Did it put on? Okay, 106. I got you. You said if you get filled, whoa. Hey, well, it's like if I don't get filled, it's like it might not. It's like if I don't get filled and then you get in and you're like, oh, what would you do about it? It's like I'm not trying to monitor anything. I'm not in. But if I am actively monitoring something, then you will get all the updates without having to ask about it all the time. Strike price on TSLL, it was $11. And it's cheaper. I did not, honestly, I didn't look at the delta, but it's the one that we looked at. Oh no, actually it was so it was this one right here. So the delta is 54. The IV is 165. Theta is just under 6. So honestly, it's not that bad. Not that bad. So yeah, I'm actually feel good about that for the most part, even though it's now out of the money and cheaper. Or actually, right now this is like 1 cent less than I paid for it, so I'm cool with that. We'll just have to see what happens with that. But honestly, I'm not expecting to take profit on it today. It's either tomorrow or the next day that would happen. So this is my swing trade. But yeah, we'll see. Have you ever tried zero DTE option? Yeah, if you look at my channel, I have like a lot of videos and like examples of trades that I've taken and that have gone crazy. It's just like, yeah, you can make a lot of money with them, but also like the probability of success is a lot lower just because of the way the market makers like to manipulate the prices. So what I've found is that being patient and, maybe allowing, a couple days to a couple weeks for your trades results in a lot more profit. So I'd rather go that way. I'm so sorry I caught the TSL call. Like, why did you decide to take a call over a put? I'm going to say it's kind of going off the PCE. Yeah, a lot of it's going off the PCE, if I'm being real. And I feel like this level is good enough. Like the PCE leads me to believe we're going to get a pop. So that's what's up with that. Even though TSLL is, here, let's look at it on a 15. Let me get rid of that. Or let's go to a 4 hour real quick. Yeah, I could, like, realistically, I could see myself riding TSLL as high as this, because this is the next supply zone. So up as high as 1371. Like, if it goes up there, I'm for sure out of everything. But if not, hey, it is what it is. Hey, yeah, Coke is trying to pull back down. Let's go, Coke. Just what we need. Just what we need. I actually grabbed some of those puts that we already have in like a separate portfolio. And yeah, they look all right. I think I got them for like 70. Yeah, they're up 25%. Let me see how much they are in the original. Yeah, up like 14%. That's cool. All right. Also, where are you putting your stop loss? There is no stop loss on this right now. Usually I put my stop loss in once I am up a certain amount. There's no stop loss on this for me. My stop loss, my stop loss is kind of based after time. Like, I'm not trying to waste a day trade, so I waited until I thought it was around its lows for the day. And like, if I want to keep riding it tomorrow, I will put in a stop loss and keep moving it, but more than likely I'll just take profit. So there was no stop loss placed on this for me. A lot of bullish divergence on higher time frames. I think we will definitely be bullish soon, but nothing compares to news, so we'll have to see. Yeah, we're gonna get a pop. We're gonna get a pop. It's cool. Either overnight or the day after. Like by the end of the week, we're gonna get a pop. It's cool. Mahishu, good morning. Good morning. Hold up. Ooh, that's cool. That's cool. Closed out 5K put contracts 20%. Honestly, that's not a bad idea. So I trade with Moomoo. I trade with Robinhood. I also use interactive brokers, but that's mostly for like shares and stuff. But hey, honestly, I think we've seen the bottom for the day. If I'm being real, if I'm sharing my opinion, I think the bottom for the day is in. And yeah, I think this curve, I actually think this is a good level to close out. I'll probably close out the ones I got in my other account yesterday. Free up some capital as well. Oh, I sold it at the lower end of the price, but it's still like, it's still good money. Okay. Yeah, like the wick I'm seeing here. Let's go to the SPY. Let's go to a 4-hour. Yeah, the next sell area for me on the SPY would be about 584. Will Apple keep going down? Here, let's see. Hey, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Meta is looking really good right now, but Apple, it doesn't look like it. They've held up better than anybody. Honestly, Apple is in the green. Yeah, Apple has been holding up. I don't know why, but Apple, they got some strength. There is something propping them up. I guess it's because they're more considered, like, they're starting to be considered more safety to an extent. Maybe. On TSLO, it was back in the money. Let's see. But yeah, Tesla looks like it's, yeah, we'll have to see. We're looking good. I got one put too many, got caught and lost my gains for the morning. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Mike. Where can I find or add PCE to my chart? So to my knowledge, you can only do that, or the only place out of the places I look at that you can do that is going to be on TradingView. And in order to do that, you would just click wherever the stock is, and you would type in PCE, and that just kind of shows you the call to put ratio. Also, I feel like Euro close, which is in 23 minutes, should be pretty interesting today. You said some Asian guy said bloodbath. All right. Okay, so y'all, I got like a little walking pad like at my desk. I got like the little stand-up desk walking pad action. I'm about to like start walking on stream. I'm about to stand this desk up because my legs are getting tight. Let's see. So yeah, if you hear a noise, it's cause we're going higher, y'all. All right. I'm gonna turn it around a little bit because I got it over here to the side. Yeah. My desk is low key messy. Still need to get with some organization, but yeah, here we are. We're going. Walking and trading. Hold up, I might have to raise that up just a little bit more. There we go. Let's turn that around too. All right, let's see. Apple acts like a security stock, absolutely, with all the other tech stock. Right? That's right, going higher. Oh dang. Hey, after I was so sure, we they kind of hit us with the 1-2. Hold up, they're trying to. Let me go down to a 15 real quick on the S&P. Yeah, they're trying to slap it lower. Hey, we'll have to see. I still feel all right about my position, but there might be a better opportunity at some point today. Let's see if we can make a new low from here. Apple dropped hard on the 5-minute. Where's Apple at now? Oh yeah, Apple is now, yeah, everything just got a little drop, if we're being real. So I guess, yeah, we'll have to see. Bro, these market makers are trying to rip everybody. What's it, 1010? Hold up. I think I have something that's about to be late. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we'll have to see if we move any lower. But once again, Euro close in T-minus 20 minutes. And how's C3 looking? Hadn't even looked today. Let's honestly, they hadn't moved a crazy amount today. Like, this is a level of support, but honestly, they don't get interesting to me for them until they're around like 19, 20 or so. Okay, Tesla's trying to be all right. It's trying. I'm at what paid training will you suggest for someone that's relatively new to master technical analysis? Shoot, I'm trying to put something together. Now I got my desk, like, should have my desk set up. But honestly, I would say watch my free stuff. Like, I got a playlist. I would say like this like watch this video or this playlist. Actually take time, take notes. If you don't understand something, actually go back and watch it, or like take your time and like, oh, hold up, I accidentally just deleted my playlist. That's not even cool. Why did it let me delete that so easy? Hold up. I gotta this one still works. It's just not on the front of my YouTube. That's annoying. Here. They made that playlist too easy to delete. But this is the exact same thing. Alright. Yeah, watch that playlist. That's wild though. It just completely just, hey, RIP to anybody that was like in the middle of watching stuff on that playlist. Yeah, we can look at AMD. It's like I look at it like pretty much every day. But yeah, AMD is still there. It's in a good area. Honestly, once it kind of hits this level, it's good, but also I want to see what happens at this level as well. Cause it's like, I've recently been looking at it, like this is a good like level of demand. We could pop here and then like possibly come back up here. But I've been looking at it. There are actually like different gaps and levels that, like there's a demand zone here at 91 on the weekly. And then also we got another demand zone here at 72. And the final one is down around 66. So, no, actually, no, we've hit that one. So we still have this one area that is untapped on AMD. And what is it? And it's also a fair value gap as well, down to this 66.41 that I've like completely neglected to look at. So the cheap can get cheaper with this. So like, once again, I am going to also follow and see how this trend line looks. So it's like, this might be a good level to kind of try to get a pop and ride it to the trend line. But as of right now, it's like, there was a point I was saying I would go all in, but then I got kind of a different view, and it's like, okay, maybe not. So yeah, patience is a virtue. It's like I am putting a little bit more money in though. I actually might want to like let a little off the gas. Like maybe yeah, since I saw that level, I had like raised it up. I might like lower it just a little bit. Like to what my daily recurring investment is. Okay. All right, let's see. Where we at? Going at the better opportunity spent. $112 on TSLL. It's my swing now as well. All right, so yeah, I think it should do all right. Let me take a quick look at the PCE. Yeah, it's coming on down. Let me take a quick look at TSLL again too. Okay, yeah. Tesla didn't like get slapped down quite as hard as I thought. Thanks. You said on the treadmill? Yeah, I'm on a little treadmill thing. Yeah, that's why I'm just like, you may see me kind of like just moving side to side just a little bit. Just a little bit. Would you say that people generally make good take profit stop loss placements? But wait, would you say that people generally make good take profit stop loss placements, but their entry was premature or late? I mean, it kind of depends on the person and the situation. The thing about like, I would say the take profit isn't an issue, but the thing about stop losses is like the market makers do something that's referred to as stop loss hunting, and they will often like do stuff like, where's my mouse? Where is it at? Yeah, where's my mouse at? Is this working? Oh, there it is. They'll often do stuff like this, where it's like they'll push the price down real quick and then they'll push it right back up. And it's like my stop loss may have been like over here, but they quickly push it down to like 233. So I get stopped out before they push it up and go higher. So it's like stuff like that. That's referred to as stop loss hunting. So that's why I don't necessarily love immediately putting a stop loss. It's like often I'll want to like be up or see the movement I was looking for first. That's why I like rather manually watch when I'm doing something in the first place. And like I'll have like I will set alert lines so I can like look and see it myself, as opposed to setting a hard stop loss. But after I'm up enough, it's like, yo, it's like, oh shoot, yeah, I'm up like 120 on this. Let me set that stop. And it's like, okay, yeah, let me set it to a level where I don't think it's going to pull back to unless it's pulling back. And then like as it goes up, I'll keep moving it up. No problem, D-Scurry. Yeah, I thought Tesla would go a little under 260. It's possible. I'm hoping it doesn't short term. Like I'm hoping it doesn't today, but it very well could. We got, 11 more minutes? Hey, family, I'm looking at the ratio. I see we got 107 people on, 82 likes. That means there is at least 25 lurker non-likers. And that's a bad ratio when it comes to lurker non-likers. So I just want to bring that to your attention. There is a like button there. We enjoy having that smash. And yeah, thanks in advance. Here, let's see, is TradingView free? Yeah, it's free. Yeah, it's free. You just won't be able to have the split screen view. You'll just have like this single panel view, and you can only have like I think like 2 or 3 indicators on the screen at a time. But yeah, it's still like really good, even in the free capacity. Sorry, what happens if you set your stop loss too low or high and it doesn't get touched? If you set your stop loss too low, if it's too low, then you don't get stopped out. Maybe if you're not watching or managing it, it expires worthless. Or you get lucky and it goes way up and you're happy you didn't get stopped out. Had to leave for a while and came back. Did you make any calls? I'm not sure if you were here for like the TSLL. I grabbed here, I think I can show it. I grabbed this TSLL call. Ooh, it's actually up now, but barely. It's only up like $5. But I grabbed this TSLL $11 call that expires next Friday, not this Friday, but the 14th. and I paid $123 for it. All right, let's see. If Tesla dropped to the 255, then TSL would be about 955. I set a limit buy for when they get there. I mean, that'll be a good move. That's a good way to do it. I think they'll do it. I just think we'll get a pop first. Oh, look at Coke still trying to come down too. That's good. Here, let's get another look at the PCE. Where we at? Yeah, this candle's looking good on the 4 hour. What's this referred to as? Like a hanging man or something? Yeah, that's bearish. Let's see. Day 100% stop loss hunt. I had to learn the hard way. Right. Yeah. Honestly, the hard way is, hey, sometimes it does this thing to ingrain it inside you. It's like almost traumatic. Bunch of times get kicked out, and then boom, rockets up. Yep. Also have the TSLL call exact same play, but mine is red, $5. Did you get in at 23? Oh, mine is in the red by $1 now, or by $2 now. So I think it just depends. Oh, by $3. It just depends on what the mid price is. It's like the price is fluctuating a lot. There's a wide bid to ask spread. The bid is 111. The ask is, so I'm actually probably down if you go by the mid price. It's like 115. It looks like this over here is just behind. So I think we're still doing the exact same. It's just the price that it was showing wasn't quite lining up. All right, so got news. I just realized 7 minutes ago that probably lines up with that drop. But it says Trump tariffs, live updates. Canadian PM Trudeau announces 25% retaliatory tariffs on U.S. products. So, yeah, there's that. Yeah, let them go on, crash the market down, do what they do. We'll be here to pick up the scraps. Yeah, so hey, it is what it is. Got Euro closing 5 minutes. Really interested to see which way it kind of trends. Also, like, wait, this is Tesla on a 5? Okay, so I do want to say, like, I got in that TSLL call, but that point I got in, it looks like it was a fake out. So actually, we could continue our way down, and yeah, we could continue our way down. So I just want to throw that on y'all's kind of like just on y'all's radar. It looks like we probably will, because we're still riding this 5 EMA, and we got Euro close in 4 minutes. This would actually be a good place for it to sell off more. Like, we're consolidating, but yeah, we could do some more selling off here. So just want to prepare y'all, but still, I still stand behind my trade. It's just may not have been the best entry. I mean, it looked like a pretty decent entry, but yeah, may not have been the best. Like, we still got Tesla oversold, but yeah, it can definitely stand to be more oversold. Like, I usually, like, when you see it like get below 20, it's like, yeah. Up $4 on KO now. Let me see. So I think I'm average down. Let me see how much I'm. What's it going for? Hold on, did it pop up? That doesn't even make sense. Wait, so it's going for about 90. Wait, hold up. Okay. I'm up like $15 per contract on Coke. So that tariff news should bring SPY down. Possibly. It's like I think 566 will be the bottom if it does, like if it is put time. But also be aware that what is it? Be aware that options premiums are immensely expensive, more expensive. So I would say get some time. Don't ride anything that expires this week because you might get got. So yeah, just be aware of that. That's all I gotta say. Ultimately, do what you want to do. I would probably look more into like getting like an SQQQ and riding that up with shares. But yeah, if you're trying to ride some puts, yeah, just be aware of the premiums on them. Buy American whenever possible. Canada is also threatening to cut power to the U.S. for some. Oh, that's wild. That's just messed up. It's one thing to like tax us. It's like, hey, you're taxing us, we're taxing you, or we're taxing you, you tax us. But you're like, yo, you're trying to just completely say no to resources. Hey, that's going to be on them when we figure out a way to, power our areas and don't need their power too. That's going to hurt them even more. It's just a waiting game now. How do the Qs move with or against the SPY? So the regular Qs will mirror or be like similar to the SPY. They'll just like move in different amounts. So like right here, if we look at both of them on a 15-minute chart, you'll see kind of the structure of them, like their actual movement looks the same. So QQ or SPY, QQQ, yeah, you got like the same kind of movement. It's just like sometimes percentages and whatnot will be kind of different. That's all. But yeah, if you actually like look, the charts like look the same. Canada also pulled the liquor off the U.S. shelf. I mean, that's not a bad idea. If it's going to get taxed 25%, hey, that might severely hurt some profit margins. So, hey, nothing to hurt there. Well, honestly, might be an unpopular opinion, but liquor is, I know it makes some people feel good, but it's legit poisoning your body. That is why you feel the effects of feeling good. Like it causes like knots, a lot of free radicals and whatnot. I'm not even going to act like I know all the science, or there were times I did, but I'm like, it is legit poison. So probably a little benefit. It's like if they wanna pull their fentanyl too, hey, go on. We don't need that. But just hey, let's get this straight. I'm not calling alcohol and fentanyl the same level. It's like I have had alcohol before. I have not had fentanyl. Nah. Do not play that. TSLL, what's going on with TSLL? It's like I'm in the TSLL. I'm still chilling in it. There's it's at 1080. It can come down. It's not Like, it's like when you take a trade, or when I take a trade, it's not going to go up in a straight line. It's like they're going to have pullbacks. There will be points when I'm down on it. It's like anybody trading with or like me needs to be patient and be cool with it pulling back. But yeah, good things going forward. It's oversold. I'm probably gonna have to. I'm getting a little hot on the low. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to take this mic off. A little bit hot in this hoodie. All right, let's see. Honestly, I would say it's still holding up pretty well. We're 3 minutes in the market or into Euro close. I mean, Coke's pulling back. That's good. But yeah, right now I would say we're holding up. Let me pull the PCE back up. Oh yeah, the PCE it's about to be below 1. Yeah, that's looking good. That's very good, very good. Let's see. Okay, what does the PCE tell you about the market? So the PCE is the call to put ratio. Usually, like, it'll be around 0.5. But whenever the PCE is above 1, that means there are more puts than there are calls in the market. So this tells you there are a lot of people that bought puts, and it's like if whenever it's 1, say for every 1,000 calls there are 1,000 puts, so it's like 50-50. But now that it is 1.008, let's say for every 1,000 calls there are 1,006 puts. And this morning, for every 1,000 calls, there were almost 1,090 puts. So it's like whenever the market makers see that, they will usually take advantage and they will buy the market up to kind of get everyone to close their puts out. All right, let's see. I was about to sell my QQQ put and it got a crazy bounce. Hey, that's yeah, you see stuff like that at these times whenever you have these like shifts in markets. So right now we have money coming in from European markets. So that was either going to raise us up or bring us down. Here, let me get a closer look at Tesla. So it's looking like it might bring us up as opposed to bring us down. Like, I still want to see, like, I want to see a candle above this, but I'm thinking it's actually just going to bring us up and it'll end up being positive Euro close. It's like they may have the fear may have already been kind of maybe eradicated. I don't know. Yeah, because Tesla looks like it's trying to move back up. So yeah, that's good. One of Canada's pipelines runs through the northern side of the U.S. Oh yeah, we might have to shut that down. Yeah, we can't have that. No, I'm kidding. I'm not trying to be crazy. No. Yeah, we don't need to shut that down. We're not here trying to start war over stuff. We're just trying to. Oh yeah, Tesla's moving up. Let's see what's TSL looking like. Okay, it's in the money. Hey, the contract is at, the mark's at 121. I don't know why this says 129, but it's at 120. It's trying to move up. That's cool. Palantir's been on oh no, never mind. No, it hasn't. It's been like, yo, if you're in the whatever, like the group, you see the 2 levels I have for support and resistance. Palantir has here. Where did they open today? Okay, so they open here, they went up here resistance perfectly, and they kind of come down. So, yo, if you're in the group and you got the little support and resistance levels, I think I called it on Palantir. Let me see. Yeah. No, actually, I think I called like, so I have it like charted right here, but it looks like I put 85, so guess I didn't put it perfectly. I might have pressed the wrong button, honestly. But I tried. Still pretty close though. All right, so I'm feeling like good. I'm feeling reassured. Um, hold up. Facts on alcohol not good. We have 4 more likes out there to hit. Let's go. Oh, hold up. I got a like I can give. Let's get to 100. I'm not gonna lie. About to close out this stream. But yeah, we're too close to not hit this. So let me go on let me go on and drop my like real quick before we end the stream. Here, let's see. Okay. I see we at okay at 99 and 99. Okay. All right. Okay, 101 99. Okay. Oh dang, y'all did it. Okay. All right. So hey, that is going to do it. I want to say thank y'all for coming in. Hey, last second with the likes. Hey, that was a photo finish right there. I want to hold up. I also did not send Lucky J his I didn't pay the Lucky J rent. Yeah, let's hey, we're throwing those in. I know it's random, but hey. So yeah, thank y'all all for stopping by. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all help give me purpose. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I hope y'all have a blessed day. And maybe pay on some of those blessings to others. But yeah, thank y'all so much for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Dang, Coke. Hey, Coke is moving now. That's good. Yeah, anybody who wants to get out of that, opportunity is now. I think it still might. There more move to potentially be had though. But going on, yeah. Peace out. Here, let's see. D Skur, Lucky J, Mahishu, RJ, Lisa, Josh, Mommy, Rebel Gamer. Oh no, we can't have that Rebel Gamer. Yeah. Don't know if I'll be here tomorrow. Hey, you'll be here in spirit. Some Asian guy, the new 100, blousing, Ty, C Smooth. Hey, Ty C, I got you today. I know it's Ty, and it's not thank you. Ty, C Smooth, Eric. My life be like, hey, good stuff. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the day. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. Oh, Yoko. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, y'all.